Hello. Change management is the buzzword. We know we are all COVID hit people now, and all of a sudden, all our activities were blocked. So, in such a situation, we as an academician or academic organization had to respond to this sudden change in the traditional method of learning and teaching. Had to respond. But what freedom did we have? We had only academic knowledge to react to such a type of situation. And so, having understood the never before situation, we at CSIBER, Chhatrapati Shahu Institute of Business Education and Research, decided to give a short-term MDP, Management Development Program, for industry and trade and all the business community around. All we know, rather we did not agree initially, but now after completely spending 1 year into all the changes and the cascade effect of disturbance, distraction, disaster, death, we have come to a conclusion that if we really want to restart our business, we have to start it again with all new planning, all new vision, and all new methods. It's difficult to accept, difficult to digest, but we can't help it. And so, one of the very important and leading aspect in management theories is change management. It is a systematic approach to dealing with change, both from the perspective of an organization and on the individual level. It has at least three different aspects like adapting to change, controlling the change, and effecting the change. And so, we responded to it with a functional approach. Functional in terms of management functions, HR, finance, marketing, and operations. Of course, the world is living in 21st century. Technology and knowledge are merging together. People are facing new type of challenges from startup to established. Everybody wants to reach somewhere from somewhere. That requires a very systematic and scientific way to manage the change. But this change, this time, is going to lead us to new normal and a very new situation. So maybe you are a trader, maybe you are an industrialist, maybe you are into primary manufacturing, you are into secondary trading or process industry or chemical industry or any other industry or even service activity, services, right from insurance to health, especially health. Everywhere you will find that something needs to be changed. And what is need to be changed, how to do that, when to do that, where to do that, we are providing a very basic platform of a small MDP for a week's program to you all. Online and in very few cases offline. We are here from MBA Department, CSIBER, Chhatrapati Shahu Institute of Business Education and Research. So I request you to feel free to contact us for such a type of presentation to you so that we can really go ahead with definitely something totally new which will lead to a good change into your organization and you can restart your business.